In this tutorial, I'll show you how to add sum calculations in Confluence tables. Start by opening Confluence and navigating to the page that contains your table. Next, click Edit to open the page editor. If you're using an element spreadsheet or another spreadsheet-based macro, open the spreadsheet by selecting it and entering Edit mode. Once the spreadsheet editor opens, locate the column of numbers that you want to add together. Click the cell where you want the total to appear, usually at the bottom of the column. Then enter a sum formula and select the range of cells you want to calculate. You can also use the sum button in the spreadsheet toolbar if your spreadsheet app provides one. After entering the formula, press enter to calculate the total automatically. Review the result to make sure the correct range of values was included in the calculation. If needed, adjust the formula or selected cells until the total is accurate. Once you're satisfied with the calculation, save the spreadsheet and return to the Confluence page. Then click Publish to save your page changes. Your table will now display an automatic sum calculation that updates whenever the underlying values change. And that's it. You've successfully added sum calculations in a Confluence table. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.